Well, at CES, I got to check out the ASUS ProArt RTX 5090 OC Edition graphics card. Now, one of the first things you'll notice about this is that this comes in a 2.5 slot design. They're able to slim it down and get it close to what you see with the 5090 Founders Edition, which is pretty cool. They were able to achieve this by actually cutting down the number of fans. You go from 3 to 2, but these are two much larger fans that are 115 millimeters, which allows it to have better efficient cooling with this. So this allows it to kind of get it into that compact design and size. This is also going to come with liquid metal cooling on here. It's going to have vapor chambers to do better heat distribution. It's going to have double vented backplate on the back of it, so it's supposed to be about 11% better in terms of cooling efficiency with this. You're going to have your typical ports on there from DisplayPort, HDMI, but because this is a ProArt card, a lot of the 50 series ProArt cards are getting a USB-C type port as well too. So those that use like a external monitor through USB-C, you can use this plug right in here and kind of keep with your workflow. It's kind of why they added there to the back. This will come with 32 gigabytes of GDDR7 RAM inside of it. Also, it's going to be OC, so it should be overclocked by default right out of the box. It's overall going to be a really powerful card, definitely for anyone that's doing any sort of content creating, any sort of AI workflows. This card is probably going to be able to handle a lot of that. And it's got that nice ProArt look, which just has that nice sleek design, the black and the gold, and even that wood trimming right at the bottom that they've added to the 50 series of cards. So I really like the way the look, style, design is, and it is the 5090, so I know the pricing is probably going to be up there a little bit when that finally gets announced. I think we're looking at around Q2, Q3, I believe, when this will sort of be released. We know in the GPU and hardware market, things are a little murky right now at the moment, but share your thoughts below and let me know what you think. And always remember to live your tech world in high definition.